How to connect another Yahoo mailbox with your Yahoo account on the app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click here on this icon. Now all what you have to do is click on settings and click on manage mailboxes right here, the second option, and click add another mailbox. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down until you find Yahoo, click on it, and you will be able to connect another Yahoo account mailbox with your account. It's so easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.